Hello everyone. Welcome to this new podcast show. I am Albert, host of today's episode. Are you looking for an affordable store for phone repair services near you? If you need comprehensive and reliable solutions for your precious device, I will recommend iTech Xpress in Covina. iTech Xpress is a local repair store serving people in Covina and its surroundings with cheap phone and computer services. They are recognized for their high-caliber repairs and competitive replacement service. You can get quick screen repair, diagnostic services, water damage repair, home button repair, and more due to their fully stocked wall of spare parts. They assist in fixing charging issues, broken screens, power connector problems, broken ports, memory installation, etc. Call 626-777-4747 and get a time and cost estimate and visit xpressinc.com to learn more. Thank you for listening to today's episode. I will be right back, stay tuned.